So I wanted to show you what you can do when it comes to creating a show. And when you create the show style broadcast, it allows you to do custom frames. And this is where you can bring people in. If you can see what's going on in the background there, you can do all kinds of instant swapping around of the images, and it allows you to do a lot more co-hosting features. So in this case, I just wanted to point out that you can't add a custom logo unless you pay them. That's the base fee of $15 a month unless you go yearly. So the base fee of $15 a month gives you the ability to add a custom logo, and you can add a custom frame. So I created something actually kind of just really cheap. I was in a hurry. And let me just pull it up real fast. And it's right here. Just to give you an idea of what a frame does. And it's loading it. It's probably a little bit big. And we will not send a messenger, and we will put this into a test group for now. Okay, I have a testing group we'll use, and that should be good enough. Our colors are fine. You can change the colors of this like I've showed you before. So let's create the broadcast, and this is basic instructions on what to do. So here what happens is you can bring a guest in by sending them a link. So it's actually pretty easy. You go to add guests, you copy a link, and then you can just add guests, and I'll get into that some other time. But what I wanted to do is let's go ahead and connect camera. I have the pink post-it over it for now. That's always going to make it more fun. And I can do a title here, testing 1 2 3. That's always exciting. I can hit show, and so that's what it's going to look like. And then we'll do for today I'm just going to get the show on the road. Do I have to bring in a guest? Add a photo from your Facebook group albums. One guest is available, only you can see the lobby. Oh, I see. So essentially I can't start this without a guest. One guest is available. Let's see. Maybe I can fake it. Yeah, that's fine. Let's add this photo for now. And I can't, so I have to have, I can't, you will be able to once there is an active video stream. Why is that not on? Let's try again. To broadcast, I see. So then I pop that up, now I have a broadcast, now I can start. Okay, and then at any time I can pop this up, this picture. So let's start the broadcast just for the heck of it, even though there's no reason to. And this is pushing my system to the max. I'm streaming live, plus I'm like recording this entire thing. So this is why you gotta have like some crazy computer to get away with this nonsense. So that's what you get. This is the actual, so now I have a pink post-it over my camera. So what you can do is I can bring people in by bringing them by clicking on here, bring a guest in from the lobby below. So I can actually bring somebody in if I wanted. Now I can move this to the broadcast, and now see how it's split screen. So if this was your product image, you could share that and then talk about the product and then bring it back out. And if you want to bring that up, you can actually have that be the entire thing by hitting solo, and it fills it. So see how I have my custom border, which can be your branding. It could be, I believe there's a way to make animated stuff happen too, but I'm not going to mess with that today. Let's take off that text. So that's what you get. And there's my logo, there's my frame, and I'm going to go ahead and end the broadcast, and we'll see what we end up with. And I like how when you end the broadcast, you have an option to actually end it. That's really nice because you can just accidentally click on a live stream and kill it. And I've done that, so I love this. Great feature. So I hope this explains a little bit about how you can split screen and broadcast. There are a lot of things I could have shown you, but I'm pushed for time and I got to keep working. So this is just a little sneak peek at the program. Something I should point out, this switch turns off the overlay. So you can have the overlay while you're getting ready or when it's useful to you, and you can turn it off. So it's kind of nice. And then you have these options to do split screen, different methods of split screen. You can change different settings this way. So if we go, for example, like this, I can go like that and go like this, or one's bigger, one's smaller. So it's actually fairly powerful when you think about it. The ability to do this in a live session is keep you busy, that's for sure. And of course you have your agenda option where you can put a bunch of questions that you want to put up or points to your discussion, like in all the videos they have. So this is a new feature I wanted to point out. I had to add this little bit of information so you could follow along. And I knew people would want to know, like, what are these things and what does that do? So hope this helps.